we were discussing how industries can actually be benefited by Agentforce. Let's talk about BFSI industry, one of the most important industries that we see out there in today's world. Let's say as an insurance provider, as a BFSI provider, by incorporating Agentforce, I can actually, simplify a lot of complex loan processing tasks like document collection, sending out signature documents. That takes a lot of time of, advisors. The second part we do is investment portfolio management. A lot of time, in insurance advisors are actually overburdened by questions about what kind of policies somebody should take, what kind of investments the client should make. By incorporating Agentforce, a lot of insurance providers or BFSI providers can save a lot of time and provide real-time updates to their clients without overburdening their advisors. Risk assessment challenges. A lot of time when a customer is buying an insurance policy or a different kind of policy, there are a lot of questions that they want to, ask or do some risk assessment. Agentforce can do that for you by automating, certain workflows, by ensuring the AI-driven analytics can be integrated right into the workflow and can send reports or, risk assessments to the clients. Thereby, they can make more informed decisions without actually needing an advisor to do that for them. Healthcare industries can actually benefit from Agentforce as well, like patient follow-up compliances, right? There are a lot of times an individual or a human is required to ensure doctors' appointments are registered with clients, rescheduling it. All of that can be automated by Agentforce. Referral management. In some cases, we see that one doctor refers you or recommends you to visit another specialized doctor. Agentforce can do that on the back end for you by, customizing appointments, providing status updates, tracking patient referrals, and a bunch more other offerings by streamlining communication. Telehealth integration is the newest thing that we've seen recently, that a lot of customers, or a lot of patients rather, set up appointments through telephones. Agentforce can help you do that as well by scheduling appointments, ensuring, how to use those platforms that are out there, thereby just ensuring and enhancing accessibility to healthcare to a wider spectrum of patients. Retail can also highly benefit. It can act as a personal commerce concierge to you, wherein they can, ask inquiries or reply to inquiries 24/7, more personalized recommendation based on your previous searches or past purchases. And Agentforce can just, basically help you with order tracking, returns, and product information without actually depending on a customer agent at any given point of time. Marketers can also benefit highly from Agentforce as well. They can streamline their marketing campaigns. They can look at how the customers or how their leads are interacting with their campaigns, offer personalized recommendations, and customize those to your individual preferences or to your ideal customer profile as well. Non-profits can benefit from Agentforce as well. Donor engagement, I think, is one of the most important functions of any non-profit out there. Agentforce can help you streamline those use cases as well. And obviously, administrative tasks takes a lot of time, not for for every business out there. Non-profits are no different. By automating these tasks as well, non-profit companies can save a lot of time and effort there as well. Telecommunication providers can benefit from this as well. There are a lot of times, there's some confusion customers have about a certain plan or about, why is there an outage in a certain area. Agentforce can preemptively or proactively inform their clients that there's a service outage and a bunch of different factors as well. E-commerce, I was mentioning about the commerce concierge that actually applies more relative to this use case here. Any recommendations that customers want, conversion rate, abandoned carts can benefit from Agentforce here. Customer loyalty program engagement as well. A lot of businesses create their loyalty engagements from ground up. Now, Agentforce can actually benefit that by actively engaging with clients, recommending them what kind of loyalty programs they can benefit from, and if they're an active user, can actually go through what kind of benefits they can actually use to make a particular purchase, or while they can redeem while they're, doing a purchase, thereby obviously increasing customer satisfaction and increasing customer retention rates as well.